How do you see yourself 10 years from now?
Ma'am, shall we start, ma'am?
Yes, yes.
What is Bicol University for you?
In the beautiful province of Albay, there has been a university since June 21, 1969. Its name is Bicol University. It is known for its dedication to scholarship, community involvement, and academic performance. Bicol University has developed into a multidisciplinary university that provides a broad range of undergraduate and graduate programs. A university for humanity characterized by productive scholarship, transformative leadership, collaborative service, and distinctive character for sustainable societies. With campuses spread throughout Albay and neighboring provinces, Bicol University empowers its students and cultivates a strong sense of civic responsibility, playing a vital role in regional development. The Bicol University College of Business, Economics, and Management was legally started on September 10, 2004. CBEM is mandated to provide the students the highest level of quality education in the broad domain of business, economics, and management as responsive as possible to the current demands of regional and national development and to the country for global competitiveness. The programs offered on this campus are accountancy, economics, entrepreneurship, financial, human resource, marketing, operations, and management. When I first stepped in Bicol University as a student, I had one clear goal in mind. That is to build a successful business and use it as my platform in achieving personal growth and create job opportunities for others in my community. Those are the reasons why I chose the BSBA Management as my program. It is a versatile course that can open doors to different career paths, especially those in the business world. As a person that wants to manage a business, this program is a perfect choice because it fosters the skills in problem solving, critical thinking, and strategic planning in managing a business. If I am going to be asked about my experiences here, I would say I had no many regrets. All the academic challenges, I did not face them all alone because I had them. I never thought I would leave BU someday with not just lifelong skills, but also with a long-lasting friendship. All the memorable journey I had is something I will not forget because this is where I learned the real value of teamwork, gratitude, and resilience. Bicol University has played a significant role in shaping my career. It provided me with a solid academic foundation, which have been crucial for my professional and personal growth. Everything fostered by BU has prepared me for success in ways I couldn't have imagined at the time. Today, as a thriving businesswoman, I am passionate about giving back to my alma mater and aims to help BU continue to develop future leaders. I support BU's efforts in fostering the next generation of innovators, entrepreneurs, and change makers through mentorship programs and funding scholarships. Bicol University has helped me realize my dreams, and it is now time for me to help make the dreams of future BU students a reality by investing in the future of BU and supporting its vision, and that I believe in the power of education to transform lives.